We have traveled all over Kenya to find hard-working farmers.
We want to celebrate them while giving them the help they need to improve their farms,
Get better yields.
and build profitable businesses.
We will see how farmers from across the region can benefit from our experts' advice.
While also learning from each other in so many ways.
Join us on these journeys and share in the farmers' experiences as they shape up their shambas.
Karibu to the Shamba Shape Up Safari.
Today we are in Bungoma County, home to the Nabuyole Falls.
They are spectacular and awesome, matched only by the awesome farmers found in this region.
Oh yes, and today we are visiting one of those farmers and want to find out whether our experts can make them make one step higher.
Higher than this waterfall?
I think so.
Let's go and find out.
Let's go.
The Nabuyole Falls funnel an incredible 50 cubic meters of water through the river Nzoia every second. And in a farm nearby, we have another incredible force we plan to visit. Pastor Justus. Justus works on the farm with his mother, and the rest of the family help out too. Together, they are turning the farm into a powerhouse worth of the Nabuyole Falls. But even the best farmer has a problem or two. And we've heard Justus is no exception. So we want to visit and find out how we can help.
Hey.
Justus.
How are you?
But first things first. Let's take a look at the shamba.
Oh, please come.
All right.
Later. Okay.
In keeping with our watery theme, Justus has 11 fish ponds. He grows arrowroots, bananas, and he has maize too. Wow, what a beautiful shamba.
That was good.
Yeah, welcome back.
Oh, thank you.
Have a seat.
Well, Shamba Shape Up is here.
Yes.
So where can we help you?
We have challenges with our maize. We've had challenges with armyworm, which has really affected our crop. Weed control, and maybe just also some expertise so that we can improve and have a better and more harvest for the next season.
I've seen some fish. How are they doing?
We can do better.
Yes.
If we had help with feeds, which is really a great challenge for fish farmers in this area.
All right, we'll see what to do about that. Now I'll go to Mama. Maybe you could tell us what problems you've been going through.
Unatumia taa ya mafuta.
Naam.
Kama ningekupata kitu kama sola, naweza kufurahia.
All right. So when you see Shamba Shape Up here, rest assured that help is here. So if you'll excuse us, we need to pitch up our tent and get to work. So we'll see you later.
Thank you.
Tony,
Thank you.
All right.
let's go.
See you later.
Later.
Thank you.
All right.
Well, Tony,
Yes,
our
Carol.
tent is up, so we need our sign up as well.
Oh, allow me. So now everybody will know where we are, which is just as well. Because we have an expert coming later who's helping with the fish, and they'll need to find us. And we'll need to light the way for our expert on solar lighting. Our final shape up today is seeing how we can help Mama Justus. There is no electricity on the farm, so she uses kerosene lamp at night. The lamp is very dull and is straining our eyes, and kerosene is dangerous. If the lamp was to fall, there could be a fire. So Caro asked Anne, an expert in solar light from Azuri, to introduce Mama to a cleaner, safer, bright alternative. The Azuri pay-as-you-go solar home system.
So I told you that when we come, we're going to bring you experts who are going to help you. You're seeing this lamp. You're not going to need it anymore.
Yes, we will just switch this off.
Good. So how can you help, Mama?
So the good thing with using Azuri pay-as-you-go solar home system is you're using the power of the sun. So unlike the kerosene lamp that you're using kerosene, there are fumes that are being produced that are affecting Mama's eyes, that also affecting her reading the Bible, and also the kids are not able to study longer,
Yes.
or even do their homework longer. You're not paying much for this. So Once you complete payment, then it's yours to own, and you're using the power of the sun. Yes.
Wow, that is nice. So I don't know, maybe we should get straight into it and show us how it looks like.
The first thing is we have a solar panel. It's a 10-watt solar panel, which you're able to mount at the top of the roof. So it's able to get all the solar rays as they come in, and you're able to fully charge it. And it comes with a cable that we're able to run down to the house so that you're able to charge. I'll pass this on to you so that you can look at it.
It's quite light.
Yes, exactly. The next thing we have is the heart of the product, which is the battery. Again, this is able now to power everything within the box to get the solar from the sun, and it stores everything here. So it stores actually all the energy. So apart from the battery, we also have 4 lights. 3 of those lights are of high power, meaning and you can be able to place them across different rooms in the house. But the 4th one is extra bright. All right, so this is what you can use as a security light.
All right, what else do we have?
So we have a solar radio. Remember, it's an Azuri solar radio as well. And Mama can listen to, what channel do you listen to, Mama?
Rabogi?
Citizen.
Rabogi. You can listen to all that on the radio.
Yes, so now you can listen to Shamba Shape Up on radio, and also the news. You can know what is happening in the country at any given time.
Nice. And Mama, where do you charge your phone?
Napeleka sokoni kule.
At the shopping center.
So when you take to the shopping center, how much do you pay for that? Yes.
10 shillings.
That's 300 shillings every month. That's a lot of money. So we will save on that by being able to charge your phone from your own unit. We're able to charge different types of phones depending on which one is right. So this is it that will be able to fit into here. So we connect this together and also to your phone.
Is it charging?
You see, is it charging?
It's charging.
Yes.
Good.
So now you see, you will never have your phone off when people are coming to buy fish from your farm, because your phone will not be away from you. Okay? All right.
You know, Mama has cows outside, you know, maybe sometimes the chicken, people like stealing chicken, you know, in the countryside. So maybe she hears noise and she cannot go out. How are you going to help her?
Okay, so to supplement the light that we have, remember we said we have the bright light that can be used for security. We also have a small torch, which, Mama, you can keep in your handbag, like when you're going to a chama, or you hear something outside, you want to go to the kitchen outside or any other place outside the house, so you're able to carry it, and you can even hide it in your hands.
They say it's very small, but it's very effective.
Exactly.
Yes. So, Anne, it would be nice to see this product installed and working.
Yes, we actually have a installer on standby, and we will only leave this place when everything is working. Azuri does all the installations across the country for free.
I love the thought of that. Let's do that.
Okay, let's.
Thank you, Carol. The Azuri solar home system is installed by a team of professional engineers, all for free. You can buy the Azuri quad system outright, or if you prefer, you can buy on a pay-as-you-go basis for as little as 49 shillings a day over an 82-week contract. There is no deposit to pay, just the first month's payment up front, and the battery lasts up to 10 years if properly maintained. The Azuri solar home system is available across the country and has a 2-year warranty.
Very nice. Right now.
This is beautiful. Carol, things couldn't be better. You know, I'm seeing a radio, good music. There's a torch, is there?
Yeah, that's a torch.
We are so grateful. It has been wonderful. I've learned so much from Shamba Shape Up about my fish and my feeding, the expertise on the weed control, and also the kind of seed to plant. I've learned so much. When you come next time, you'll see a great change.
Yes.
Now, when I come to you, Mama, Azuri has come. Have we left you much better than how we found you?
Nimefurahia kwa kutupa sola. Sasa macho yangu itakuwa naangalia, naona vizuri, haitakuwa nalia. Sana asante na mbarikiwe tena mrudi tena.
That is very good.
Asante.
So, Justus, you're happy with your Shamba?
Oh, I'm happy with my Shamba.
Okay.
Very happy.
Good.
Good.
Thank you.
Good. Well, Carol,
Our day here is done. Our time is done. So we have no other choice but to move to the next
Shamba!